Are they having like a string fight? It's so fucking funny. It's the strings on their hoodies. Wow, Micah just got defeated.
I got it! I win! I win! I win! I got one! Let me make a ball. Let me make a ball. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Oh my god. Wait. Wait. What?
Jessica. That's hella funny. I don't know. It's hella funny though.
Hey!
That should go on YouTube.
It will. Actually, I'll do it right now. YouTube.